Hello everybody, it is your girl Bria Van Kooten and I am back with a new video. As you guys can read by the title, we are here with a last minute Halloween costume idea video. This one is recreating celebrity looks. Yes, I know there's some last minute people out there that don't know what they want to be or what to buy or where to go. And if you don't want to spend any money and you just want to pull some things together from your closet, that too. Like, why wouldn't you want to save a coin? So today I'm going to show you 3 celebrity looks. Yes, we're going to recreate 3 celebrity looks. And yeah, you could just pull stuff from your closet, or you have to buy something real quick, you could just run to the mall or whatever, wherever you shop and all of that. So yeah, if you guys want to see the 3 celebrity looks that I'm about to recreate, stay tuned and let's get into the video. Hello everybody, it's your girl Bria Van Kooten and I am back with a new video. Alright, so like I said at the beginning, we're going to recreate some celebrity looks. Today is Monday, Halloween is on Thursday, so we have technically 2 days. 2 days before Halloween, because it's now 4 o'clock. I'm recording this at 4 o'clock. I'm posting it today, yes. You know, usually I post my YouTube videos on Wednesdays, but today we're posting on a Monday because it's a last minute Halloween, so we gotta post this early. So yeah, we have 2 days until Halloween, so we gotta get to shopping, get to buying. Amazon Prime, 2 days, we get it by Wednesday, day before Halloween. Halloween is Thursday. So like I said, we're gonna recreate 3 celebrity looks. So without further ado, the first look that we are going to recreate is from Kendall Jenner, and this look is from about 2 years ago. She did this look where she had on like a cropped white little tank top looking thing, and then, you know, belly out. She had on some like mom jeans, but kind of baggy, like mom boyfriendish jeans at the same time. And then she had on the YSL Yves Saint Laurent sparkly ass $10,000 boots. So yeah, with minimal jewelry, nothing crazy, hair up. We're not even gonna do the hair because I don't have any wigs to like recreate like the hair situation right now for the looks. So we're just gonna focus on the outfit, because you know that's what we focus here on Bria's Closet, is the outfits, is the looks, is what's going on down here. So that is the first look. So yeah, let's get into that first look. All right, so for look number 1, I have these mom jeans right here from Topshop, which is kind of baggy, so it still gives that mom boyfriend type look like Kendall is doing. So it still gives like a little high-waisted but still baggy at the same time. So we got these jeans, like I said, from Topshop. Then for the cropped part, the cropped top, I got this little cropped vest situation here from Pretty Little Thing, and it gives a nice little V cut right here. It's nice and cropped. So, and then since these are kind of high-waisted, it gives that nice little balance of a little peekable belly but not too much, something in between. So we got that going on. Minimal jewelry. Well, you know, I always have on rings, so, and Kendall's wearing rings, so you know, we got a little jewelry or whatever. And then the piece to make the outfit all come together, we got the boots. I got these sparkly boots here from Steve Madden. Literally, guys, I wore these once in Paris when I went for Paris Fashion Week. But yeah, these are gonna come in handy. If you did buy these from Steve Madden or anywhere else, this could come in handy for a Halloween costume, guys. And you could also recreate the look that Rihanna did, because Rihanna did a look with these boots as well. So look up these boots, recreate the look if you have something similar. So yeah, this is gonna bring the look all together. So yeah, that is look number 1. So for look number 2, we're gonna get into Robin, Rihanna, Fenty, one of my fave fashionistas, my fave girls. She is wearing this bomb ass Vetements jacket that I got a replica of from Forever 21 like a year and a half ago, and when I saw it, I was like, at first I was like, oh, the jacket is fire, but I didn't even think about Rihanna. And then after, I was like, oh my god, Rihanna had a jacket like that from Vetements. So anytime I wear it, people literally stop me like, oh my god, that looks like the jacket that Rihanna had, like literally on the street. I've even had guys stop me like, yo, that jacket's fire, where did you get it, blah blah blah. So starting off with the main piece of the outfit, she has in this Vetements reversible jacket. It has like camo, like your modern day green camo, and then it also is a blend of a white camo, and then she has on a gray hoodie with like the 2 strings. She has the hoodie on, and then she has on gray camo pants, and then she has on these sparkly like pointed toe heels. Very cute, very, very cute. Again, very chill but dressy at the same time. It's very streetwear appropriate. It gives very streetwear at the top, but then very dressy at the bottom, because you know you have like the pointed toe sparkly heels. So let's start off with the main piece. We have the jacket, like I said, I got from Forever 21. We have the white camo outside, the green inside, and it has a hoodie. It is reversible. I love this because it's literally a 2-in-1 coat. Rihanna was wearing it with the white outside and the green inside, and it was like buttoned up a little bit. So yeah, that's the main piece of the outfit. Then we get into these camo pants, these white camo pants that I got from Zoomies. I was about to say Urban Outfitters, but it was definitely Zoomies. Got these from Zoomies. Really fire, really chill. It gives like a nice little baggy look. Rihanna's own is a little cropped at the bottom, but this one is a little bit more wide leg, but it'll still give the look. If people know, they'll get it. They'll get what it is. So yeah, really, really cute. Really fire. I love these pants. I've styled it so many times with sneakers, boots, all of that. So I really love these. And then the final piece, you know, you gotta have the gray hoodie. So yeah, I got this gray hoodie right here from Champion. So yeah, gray hoodie, chill, whatever. You can get a gray hoodie from anywhere. So this is an easy piece to just pull up and get. You could even borrow it from your little brother or boyfriend or your father or whoever. So yeah, got this little simple gray hoodie. So yeah, that is look number 2. Yeah, let's get into final look, the final look, look number 3. So our final look of the day, look number 3, it is going to be Kim Kardashian. Yes, Kimmy's look was definitely easy. I think a lot of people can come as Kim Kardashian because the Yeezy look is very easy to pull off. It's some leggings or like fitted dresses or like hoodies or sweaters. Everybody has Yeezy sneakers. Like, so I feel like Kim's look, a Kim Kardashian Halloween look, is probably the easiest to pull off right now. And so many brands, so many stores do the Kim Kardashian aesthetic and how she dressed. So I feel like the Kim Kardashian look in general is the easiest probably right now for the past couple of years, including right now 2019, to do for Halloween. So yeah, this look that I am doing is definitely one of my fave looks from her. It's very simple, very chic, but very dressy and dressed down at the same time, but streetwear at the same time. So yeah, I love versatility of looks. I love looks that give me different vibes. You can wear it at different events, and the matter of how you style it or what you put together, you can wear it at a different place. So yeah, this look from Kim Kardashian, we start off from the top. She has some little pointy, like sleek sunglasses. So this look includes some sunglasses, which I love because I love eyewear. So that starts off from that. Then we have this easy, nice little pullover sweater that has like a zip, so you can zip it down. She has a zip down, so you can give a little cleavage look. And then she has the matching color of these biker shorts. And the good thing is, if you can't find biker shorts, you can easily buy some leggings. This is what I do all the time. I'll just easily go to Forever 21, get some like $5, $6 leggings, and then just cut them into biker shorts. Like literally that's what I do. I do this every year. Just go replenish and buy new leggings, cut them, and make them into biker shorts. So you can easily do that. Forever 21 has every freaking color, so you can easily do that. And then she has her phone as an accessory, so you have your phone in your hand, because you know she's she's one of the social media queens. So she has her phone in her hand, and then you end it off with the shoes. She has these like strappy Yeezy strappy heel shoes, which I have something similar like that from Steve Madden. So yeah. All right, so we're gonna start off. Let's start off with the shades. I got these shades right here from Steve Madden. Easy, sleek, black little throw-on shades right here. And then we got the little pullover sweater right here that I got from Pretty Little Thing. Definitely, when I saw that picture, I was like, oh my god, I have a sweater that looks just like that. So yeah, got this easy pullover sweater, definitely similar to what she's wearing. It gives a nice little ribbed crop look. And then we have the little, I have gray leggings, but they're a collab with Alexander Wang, so I was definitely not cutting those. So I got this gray bodysuit here. So once I put the sweater over it, you're not really gonna see the top part of it, you're just gonna see the bottom, so it'll still give the illusion of the look. So right now I just have like a whole bunch of black biker shorts, so yeah, we're gonna give the bodysuit vibe. So yeah, that. Oh, and then how could I forget the shoe? Last but not least, oh, and the bodysuit I got from, there's a boutique here in NYC called Mystique Boutique, so that's where I got the bodysuit from. And then last but not least, I got these strappy clear mules right here, like I said, from Steve Madden. So yeah, it definitely gave that Yeezy vibe that Kim is wearing. So yeah, that is look number 3. All of these looks are easy, very accessible to pull off. I probably think like the 2 hardest pieces to find will probably be the sparkly boots, because I mean there are some places that are doing it, but you gotta really look to see what store is selling it right now. And yeah, I know some Steve Maddens have it. And the next thing that might be hard to find is definitely this jacket. This would probably be the 2 hardest things to find to like repeat these looks, but it's definitely easy to go on Google and Google celebrity looks and try to see what you can find from their looks into your closet, so you can have like an easy thing to just pull from your closet and just go out and enjoy Halloween. And like I said, the Kim Kardashian look will probably be the easiest to find. Not just this look that I did, but there's so many other Kim Kardashian inspired looks that you could probably pull from your closet, because the Yeezy stuff is so easy to just pull from your closet. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely leave your comments below. Let me know if you copied any of these looks. If you did, definitely post. Definitely tag me on Instagram at Bria Van Kooten. Tag me. I would love to see your looks, and I'll repost it and comment or whatever. And yeah, follow me on my Instagram and definitely tag me at Bria Van Kooten. And that's also my Twitter. I love Twitter, so follow me on there. And yeah, like I said, comment below. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Love. Deuces.